Dodge just revived a 1960s logo and placed it on the 2026 Charger 6-pack, turning a $50,000 muscle car into a rolling retroflex for less than $2,000. While everyone waits for the Hellcat to return, these new Fratsog graphics might be the perfect tease, but the real question is whether they are worth it. The gas-powered Charger 6-pack is powered by a twin-turbo inline-6 and starts at $49,995. It now receives its first official graphics package from Dodge. The main option is a Fratsog-themed racing stripe package priced at $1,695. The design features bold black stripes blended with the iconic 1960s Fratsog triangle badge from the classic Polara. Gloss logos contrast against matte vinyl, creating depth in direct sunlight. The package also works on glass roof models, allowing the Fratsog logo to be visible from inside the cabin. There is also a satin black hood graphic priced at $395. It follows the power bulge precisely and enhances the Charger's lines without overwhelming the design. Dodge describes this as a nod to its customization heritage, and it provides an easy way to personalize the vehicle, while the electric Daytona receives most of the attention. In terms of value, the vinyl is durable, factory-fitted, and straightforward to install. Drivers who prefer a clean, logo-free look may want to skip it. However, compared to a $7,000 carbon hood upgrade, these graphics offer an affordable way to add visual aggression. The Fratsog graphics prove that the Charger still carries its old-school spirit. For more automotive deep dives, make sure you subscribe and enable notifications. I will see you in the next one.